Okay, here we are in front of this very pretty 3-bedroom Casa villa. 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. So let's take a look into the inside. Walk in here to a nice spacious living area with a walkout to the deck and the pool. There's a bedroom on either side of the open concept kitchen living area. Kitchen has a breakfast bar. Stainless appliances. Looking onto the living area. On the right hand side is the master bedroom, which opens on to the deck, much like the living room. Has an ensuite bathroom through here. Walk-in shower. On the other side of the living room is the guest bedroom, which also walks out onto the deck with a guest bathroom right beside. From the pool deck, there's an outdoor bar area and an outdoor sitting area. Barbecue. On the other side of the pool is a separate building with 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. So that's the 3rd bedroom right here. The pool bath has 2 doors, one from the guest bedroom and one from the pool deck itself with the outdoor shower. So there it is, 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom in Casa. Nice sized pool, great outdoor sitting area. Very pretty villa.